Hello everybody, today I'm going to be talking about how we can make this pop-up effect in DaVinci Resolve. You can do it on text, images, anything really. Let's get started. I'm just going to be using this paper texture as a background, but feel free to use anything you'd like. Okay, first we want to create a fusion composition. Right click in the media pool and then create new fusion composition. Then make sure that the settings are correct, like the frame rate and the time code. Then press create, and now you can drag it in to whatever point you want. Let's just say I want it 1 second after the start. Drag it there and you're good. Okay, now head over into the Fusion tab. And don't be scared of the Fusion tab, because I know a lot of people are. It's actually simple. Okay, so take whatever you want, either a media image, drag it in, or you can just use a text node. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Connect it up, do all your regular text adjustments, and there you have it, regular text, but it has no pop effect. Okay, now choose how long you want your animation to be wisely. I'm going to choose 15 frames because that looks the best for a quick animation, in my opinion. Then add a transform node. Now that you've added a transform node, keyframe the size parameter. Then go back to the beginning of the composition or wherever you want the animation to start. In my case, it's at the beginning, and decrease the size all the way. Now press this full screen button. I've already explained keyframes in an in-depth video, which I'll put in the top right corner, but I'll quickly explain how I would do it in animation. Highlight the keyframes or press Command A on your keyboard and then press S to ease them. Then drag the bottom handle all the way up here and this second handle almost all the way to the left. Now you can see that the animation is not very smooth, but there's one other thing we can do. If you go into the settings tab, turn on motion blur. You can choose the settings yourself, but my personal settings are quality 4 and shutter angle 360. It might take a while to process depending on how powerful your computer is, but you'll get this result in the end. This looks extremely smooth and is what I recommend. Now just to prove that I can do it on an image, I'm going to delete the text node, bring in the image, and then connect it right back up. Now you have the exact same animation for an image. There you go. Please feel free to experiment with all of these settings, as this is just an overview and not a strict tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!